We are at the Spartan Investor Conference 2025 in New York City. I'm Jane King, and you are watching Idea Exchange. And with me is Harry Kurtzman, the founder of Aura. To explain Aura, the company, so set the stage. What are you doing?
We developed an axial flux induction machine, which is a different kind of motor or generator. Motors and generators are the same machine, used differently.
Okay.
And what's different about this machine is it is uh, a pancake in shape. It has the highest efficiency of any motors in the world. It has the highest energy density, which meaning the most amount of power per unit volume or per unit weight. It is cheaper than any machine, and it doesn't use any permanent magnets, any rare earths. It only uses copper, steel, and aluminum.
Okay.
A few years ago, nobody even heard of axial flux machines because everybody was happy with existing machines the way they are. A couple of years ago, all of a sudden, everybody realized that the energy consumption in the world, 53% of it is used to run electric motors. People have done a study and they said if you can increase the efficiency of an electric motor by 1%, you will be able to power 100 million homes in the USA. Now, we've increased the efficiency drastically, more than 1% for most applications. Typically, small machines are generally in around 85 to 88% efficiency. We are in the 94% efficiency. Big machines are very, very efficient, and we match the efficiency of the very best machine, the very best permanent magnet machines at a fraction of the cost.
Well, that's a fascinating statistic about the machine use because machines are everywhere.
Everywhere.
I mean, you think your vehicle and a plane, but there are washing machines everywhere. We've got machines.
Every People don't realize it. Air conditioning, washing machine, dishwashers, garbage disposals, they're all motors.
Yeah.
And of course, in industrial application, pumps and compressors are all basically electric motors. I mean, just as an example, last year, 90 million pumps were sold with electric motors. All the numbers claim that the business for electric motors is about $250 billion a year. And everybody predicts it's going up to about 300 billion a year. That's a huge,
Yeah.
huge business. And there are lots of people in that business. And interestingly enough, they all either use technology that was invented in the 1900s by Nikola Tesla, called the induction machine, or more modern, they use permanent magnets, rare earth permanent magnets,
Yeah.
to get a higher efficiency.
Okay.
But as it turns out, you don't need them. You
Very
don't need
interesting.
rare earths. It's unnecessary at all.
So your machines solve the problem of energy use and cost, and you don't have the supply chain issues that you have with China.
No supply chain. We
Yeah.
only use copper, steel, and aluminum, available worldwide, everywhere.
Would these machines be used everywhere we see machines now?
As it turns out, it's a great question that you ask, because uh, some of the publications last year claim exactly that. They claim that the future of electric machines are going to be axial flux machines. It all started basically to get some traction in 2022 when MIT published a study of electrical machines, all kinds of electrical machines, and they concluded that axial flux induction machines are a superior machine.
Now, how do you as a business convince people to switch to this machine? Whether, I guess it'd be manufacturers that you deal with, right?
That's a fantastic question. And the good news right now is we sold about 11,000 of these machines historically, and we have them in 20 different countries, in many militaries and commercial applications. And honestly, as soon as we are able to show our new product line, which is expected the first quarter of this coming year, we don't think there's any question of selling them. People call us today. I mean, we have major corporations in the world calling us, asking about these machines. We are talking to quite a few countries about the use of this machine for power generation and for industrial applications.
And everything is built in the U.S.
All the parts and all the developed, built, everything in the U.S.
Yeah.
And we don't need to depend anywhere else, because if you look at electrical machines, the bill of material is about 80% of the cost, and the rest is labor and some other stuff. Well, our bill of material is less than half of traditional machines because they're a lot smaller. And you don't have to be smart. You just look at these machines and you say, wait a minute, if you weigh a third and you're a third of the size and you only use copper, tin, aluminum, then it must be a third of the cost. It's really simple.
Yeah. So what's next then? What's your strategy? More marketing?
Our strategy is we're going to start marketing the first quarter. We're going to launch the product line. We have a product line now from 5 horsepower to 350 horsepower machines. We have them developed, we have them tested, we have them operational, and we plan to launch in the first quarter of this coming year.
Okay. And how can somebody follow Aura?
I guess
Go to the website?
Our website is very old. We need to update it. We haven't done it.
Well, they can watch these interviews.
They can watch this interview. That's a great one. Honestly, we have not done any sales or marketing, and we need to start doing it now.
Okay.
I mean, we spend a lot of money and time developing the product line. We don't promote. We don't go talk about it.
You've just
really.
been doing research and development, and now time to.
And we are now ready. That's why I'm here. I haven't been here in 20 years. I mean, I haven't been to any conferences in 20 years.
Okay. Well, best of luck to you, Harry. Thank you.
Thank you.
For coming and explaining this. Fascinating.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
And thank you as well for joining us. And please stay with us on Idea Exchange at the Spartan Conference. We'll have more interviews coming up.